What circuit boards do we do? Number 23. TC600 microwave PCB. Rogers TC600 microwave PCBs are woven fiberglass reinforced, ceramic-filled, PTFE-based composites, which are intended to offer enhanced heat transfer through best-in-class thermal conductivity, while reducing dielectric loss and insertion loss. The increased thermal conductivity provides higher power handling, reduces hot spots, and improves device reliability. TC600 provides a high decay of 6.15 and low dissipation factor of 0.002 at 10 GHz. The 75 parts per million per degree Celsius of TC decay value indicates the dielectric constant is stable over a wide range of temperatures. TC600 PCBs exhibit good characteristics in thermal properties. The low Z direction CTE offers unsurpassed plating through-hole reliability. The decomposition temperature is greater than 512 degrees Celsius. T260, T288, and T300 is greater than 6 minutes, and it also has a high thermal conductivity of 1.1 watts per meter Kelvin. TC600 PCBs have a density of 2.9 grams per cubic centimeter and an extraordinarily low water absorption rate, and only 0.02% of total mass loss exhibits outgassing. Thank you. I will see you next time.